Today, we are at the bus stop. See that sign? It tells us where to wait.
Cool.
Hi, do you want to learn English for American life?
Yes.
Let's go. Good question, Jaden. Let's learn.
Where is the bus, Mom?
It'll be here soon, sweetie.
Okay.
I don't know, Jaden. Let's wait. I wait for the bus.
I wait for the bus too.
Good job, Jaden.
The bus is late today.
Is it coming soon? It should be here any minute. Just be patient.
It is late. I see no bus.
It will be here soon. Just be patient. That's right. The bus is not here.
The bus is late. The bus is late.
Yes, it's running a little late today.
The bus is late.
Jaden, let's check the time.
Okay, Mom. It's 10:30. Whoa, cool.
See? Right on time. I look at my phone.
What are you looking at, Mommy?
Just checking the train schedule, sweetie.
Can I see?
Come here.
Wow, that's cool. What does it say, Mom?
It says bus stop, sweetie. See?
Oh, so we wait here for the bus? Exactly. You're so smart. Cool.
The bus will come in 5 minutes.
Yay! Is it almost here?
Yes, very soon.
Awesome! I can't wait! 5 minutes! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5! Wow, that's right!
Great job, Jaden.
Mom, is it 5 minutes now?
Yes, 5 minutes.
Yay, that's not too long.
That's right, just a little longer.
I wait 5 minutes.
I wait 5 minutes.
That's right, we can be patient.
Okay, Mom, you wait 5 minutes too.
That's right, Jaden, we have to be patient.
Okay, Mom.
Good job. It will be fun.
Mom, I see something!
What is it, Jaden?
A big bus!
Oh, I see it now. Good spotting. I see the bus.
Yay, the bus is coming!
Yes, it's getting closer, honey.
I can't! This is so cool!
Get ready to wave.
I see the bus too! It is coming! Yes, I see it, Jaden. It's almost here. Wow, it's so big and yellow!
The bus is coming now.
Yay, I see it! Let's go, sweetie. Wave to the bus! Oh, bus!
Hello there.
Hi! Hi!
What a friendly bus. Bye, bus. Look, Jaden, what number is on the bus?
Is it 42?
That's right. Good job.
I see it now.
You're so smart.
4, 2, 42! That's right, Jaden. You got smart, Mommy.
Yes, you are. So proud of you. Yes, the bus is number 42. That is our bus.
Yay, the number 42 bus. Ready to go?
Yes.
Let's go. What number is your bus?
It's number 12, sweetie.
Oh, okay, I see it now.
Good job, Jaden. You're so smart. Jaden, do you have your ticket?
Oh, I think it's in my backpack.
Okay, check. We don't want to miss the train.
Got it. Here it is. Yes, Mom. My ticket is in my pocket. That's wonderful, Jaden. I'm so proud of you. Thanks, Mom.
Good. I have my ticket too.
Yay! Is that the bus, Mommy?
It sure is, sweetie. Ready for our adventure?
Yes! Let's go!
I have my ticket.
Me too, Mom!
Good job. We need them to get on the bus.
It's an adventure!
Yes, it is. Let's wait here.
I have my ticket! See?
I see. That's wonderful, Jaden.
Can we go now?
Yes, let's go get on the bus. My ticket is ready.
Mine too. Let's go!
All right, buddy. Let's get on the bus.
Yay! I'm so excited! My ticket is ready too.
Wonderful, Jaden. You're all set.
Let's go!
All right, adventure awaits. After you. We are ready for the bus.
Yay! I have my ticket!
That's right. We'll give them to the driver.
Okay, Mom. Mom, the bus is here. It's stopping.
I see it, Jaden. That's great.
It's stopping right here! Yes! Are you ready to go?
Yes. The bus stops.
It stopped, Mommy!
Yes, let's go.
Okay. The bus stops. That's right, Jaden. The bus stops. The bus stops. Let's go. Look, the door's open. We can go in.
You're right, Jaden. Let's go.
Yay, this is so cool. hold my hand. Let's go together.
Yes, Jaden. First, let people get off.
Okay, Mom.
See? They're coming out now.
I see them.
Good job waiting, buddy.
Thanks.
People get off the bus.
Where are they going?
They're going home or to school.
Can we go on the bus?
Maybe later.
Hello. Hello. Have a good day. Hello. Have a good day.
Okay, Jaden. Now it is our turn.
Okay, Mom.
I get on the bus.
Okay, Mama.
Hold the rail, sweetie.
Great job, buddy. This is fun. I get on the bus too.
Of course, Jaden. You're doing great.
This is fun. I'm proud of you.
Here is my ticket.
Thank you, bus driver. Thank you.
Goodbye, bus stop.
Bye, Mom. See you later.
Have a great day at school.
Goodbye. See you later, bus stop.
Have a great day, sweetie.
I will. It's gonna be fun.
I know you will. I love you. Now we are on the bus. We are going to school.
Wow, look at the trees.
Yes, and see the houses? We're almost there.
I am sitting on the bus. This is fun.
Now, let's see if you remember.
The capital of our state is Springfield. Yes, that's right. Good job. I knew it.
I have a question for you. Okay, Jaden, what is it?
Why is the sky blue?
That's a great question. It's about sunlight and air. Oh, cool.
What number is the bus? Is it 42 or 24? Is it 42? Or is it 24? Time is up! Yes, it is! What a fun ride!
Can we go again?
Of course, after a little break.
What is the answer?
The answer is 7! That's exactly right! I'm so proud of you! Yay, I knew it! 42! Yes, the bus is 42! That's right, Jaden, you're so clever. I knew it! This is the best bus ever!
It sure is. Good job, everyone. You are so smart.
Hi, what number is your bus? Write in the comments.
Great idea, Jaden.
Yeah, let us know. We can't wait to see. Bye!
You did amazing today.
Thanks, Mom. I tried my best.
I'm so proud of you. You earned it.
I can't wait to tell Dad. The bus is late. I see the bus. I have my ticket.
Great job, Jaden. Don't forget to subscribe.
I won't, Mom. Good, just click that button.
Okay, I will. Great job.
And click the like button.
See you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, friends. See you on the bus. Have a great day at school.